Oh, girl. Y'all. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is the first day of March 2018 box week. Yay! Okay, so really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, you're like, who's this woman? Why is she yelling? First of all, I'm gonna keep yelling. I'm a really loud person. I'm loud in regular life. It's kind of annoying. I'm just loud in general. So if you don't like loud people, this is not your spot. This isn't your channel. It's not for you. I mean, we want you to stay, but at the same time, I get it. This is a lot. There's a lot of an introduction. Okay. So, really quick, if you're brand new to my channel, hi, I'm Drew, welcome. Box week is a big, exciting thing on my channel. It is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel because the 1 week every month that me and my subscribers spend every single day together for a week straight. There's a new video every day for 7 days. You're catching us on day 1, so it's really exciting. So really quick, if you're not in the Just Like Drew crew and you want to be, click the red subscribe button down below this video. Hit the notification bell if you want to get notifications when new videos drop in box week. It's a lot of fun. We comment back and forth. We make friends in the Just Like Drew crew. We have a great time. So that's kind of that little whole spiel thing. Really quick, to the people who are already in the Just Like Drew crew, I'm so sorry my content has been light for the last couple weeks. I'm not quitting YouTube. I'm not like taking a break. Basically, my computer kind of like blew up and needed to get fixed. You guys have heard about this. I've had computer issues. Good news is my computer is now working, doing amazing. I'm not going to get into that story right now. Let's just say it took like a week and a half to get it back. But it is like doing so good now, so I can make more content. Also, because my computer is actually working now, I can start making, when it's not box week, I can come back, you know, with like, what is this series that we were started and it's doing really well, as well as like makeup tutorials you guys have been asking for, all the stuff that I haven't been able to do because my computer has been like not working. We got it now. It's exciting. So, all right. Let's just get into this. All right, so tonight we are opening the subscription that started the subscription craze on my YouTube channel. We are opening Ipsy. Ipsy is a $10 monthly subscription. If you're interested in Ipsy by the end of this video or right now, I have a referral code down below in the description box of this video on YouTube. So if you're like, hey, I want to check that out, I got you. Click the button, go sign up. It's awesome. Ipsy is $10 a month. It is a beauty subscription. Basically, they curate 5 items every single month to you. So you fill out a little profile and they'll be like, oh, she's got brown hair. Let's give her stuff for brown hair. Oh, she's got coarse hair. This is her skin tone. She likes nail polish. She hates nail polish. They basically shape it to what you like. And so whenever someone's looking to get a subscription, I always recommend Ipsy first because it's a good way to test out subscription box living and to kind of get a feel for like what this whole life is like. So without any more talking, let's get into this. And I just want to remind you, last month we started a giveaway box on my YouTube channel. Basically, we are filling up this box here. It's already kind of got a bunch of stuff in it from last month. I've been putting stuff in it as well throughout the month. Basically, where we're filling up a box with stuff that I get in my subscriptions that I'd rather give away than keep for myself because I get so many items that I could never ever use all of them. And once the box is full, we're just going to give it away to one of my subscribers. So that's it. That's literally all we're doing with this. So, all right, back to opening this. I'm so sorry. It's been like 3 minutes of me talking, but I've had so much to tell you guys and I've been missing you and I'm so excited to be back. Okay, so, all right. I ripped that like so intensely. All right, Ipsy, every single month you get a bag, a different one every month, and this is this month's bag. Whoa, this is kind of weird. Look at, it's all little people without faces. A little bit creepy, a little bit cute. It's like cute and creepy all at once. It's also really big. This is actually a big bag for Ipsy. I'm not used to them giving out big bags like that. I'm filling in the inside of the actual bag it came in because sometimes there's stuff in there and I'm right, there's something in there. There's actually an eyeshadow brush and I actually want to say that this is an item that I use my points on. I'm not really sure. They told me I was going to have points expiring. Either way, this is a contour eyeshadow brush and I'm just gonna put this right in the giveaway box. I'm pretty sure this is the item I got and I grabbed it so I could put it in the giveaway box. I'm trying to get a lot of makeup brushes in the giveaway box because I know a lot of people, that's something they don't have, are makeup brushes, and I have a lot of them, so I'm like, hey, I'm wanting to give those out. So whoever gets this box can be like, I got makeup brushes, I can do my makeup, I can make it work. Yes, girl, yes. Okay, so let's get into the actual Ipsy unbagging to see what I got this month on my channel. All right, so first off, they have this, and this is like the theme for this month. It says create. So whatever that actually means. I'm not going to read the card because I've already been talking for like 2 years on here. All right, the first item I'm grabbing out is Hikari Cream Pigment. Okay, Hikari Cosmetics in the shade Envy. Let's open this up and see what we have going on in here. Oh, girl. Y'all. Okay. I don't even, oh my God. Oh my God, look at this. Okay, can you see it? You guys, no, they did not. Listen, I won't lie to you. I saw this little thing and I was like, what did they send me? Some little cream pigment, probably in the shade nude. Look at this. Y'all ain't even gonna believe this right now. I don't even, girl. Oh my God. Okay, I'm keeping this. I'm keeping it. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm keeping it. I'm excited. Oh my God. Look at the, dude, what a way to kick it off. Like I wasn't even ready. I wasn't ready. I'm gonna keep it real. I was not ready for this cream pigment. Come on. That is the brand Hikari in the shade Envy. And let me tell you, I'm like, yes. Okay, so the next item that we have is Facial Detox Clarify Clear Mask from Dr. Golden Faden's Purifying Mask. Effectively draws out bacteria and pore clogging debris, revealing clearer, blemish-free skin. Okay, so this is some kind of a cool face mask item. Why can I not get focused right now? Nothing is getting focused. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get focused. It's not working. All right, for clearing up blemishes on your skin. That is really awesome too. All right, the next item I'm pulling out is, oh, you guys, there is markers to color the bag. Y'all, they gave to color the, okay, that's just cute. Like I can't even, like that is just beyond cute right now. Also stuff's falling everywhere because like I'm pulling stuff out and it's like flying everywhere because I'm like too excited doing this unboxing right now. All right, the next item that we have is, it's called Sex Kitten from Tarte. I'm guessing this is like an eyeliner. I'm not sure. Yes, this is an eyeliner from Tarte called Sex Kitten. It is a black eyeliner. I'm gonna keep that because as you guys know, I need black eyeliner like constantly because I'm always putting like so much eyeliner on that I'm like running out every 2 minutes. So I'm gonna keep that. All right, the next item that we have is, it looks like it is a lipstick from Finding Ferdinand. Okay, so Finding Ferdinand, this pretty lipstick, it is in the shade Rose Gold. It looks really, really pretty. Look at that. It's like a nice like mauve-y tone, which I'm kind of obsessed with right now. And the last item that we have in here is, it says City Color Glow Duo Cream and Powder. It looks like it is like a highlighter palette and it's actually like packed really nicely. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm putting this in the giveaway. I'm not even gonna take it out. I want it to stay nice. I want to give out highlighters. So this is going right into the giveaway box. So hold on one second. I dropped something. I'll be right back in like 2 minutes or 2 seconds. Well, give me a second for you. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Having issues right now. I'm getting too excited about stuff. All right, so we're going to recap this box or bag really quickly. This is the Glow Duo from City Color. It is like a highlighting palette, a cream, and a powder. And I'm going to tell you right now, the best way to use something like this, put the cream on first and then put the powder over it. And that's how you get that bling bling pop of highlighter. If you're ever like, how do those girls do it? That's how they're doing it. That's how I do it. I'm putting this in the giveaway box right now. So we're getting a highlighter set in there. Also, I'm actually going to put the Ipsy bag with the markers in there because I just feel like that's way too cute. I have tons of bags and I just like love this idea. So somebody's going to get an Ipsy bag with the markers. I'm putting that in the giveaway box. You're getting a makeup bag with markers. And then we have the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, which I am keeping because I need black eyeliner. The Hikari eyeshadow in Envy, which I'm also keeping that. The Finding Ferdinand lipstick in the pretty like rose gold tone. I'm actually gonna put that in the giveaway as well, so that's going into the giveaway box. And the Facial Detox from Gold Faden MD, I'm gonna keep that as well because I'm always looking to try new face masks and I can let you guys know what I think of it. So I'm keeping like 3 items. I put in a lipstick, a highlighter, and an eyeshadow or an eyeshadow brush, as well as the Ipsy makeup bag. Honestly, you guys, I feel like this is gonna get filled up this month. I'm really like excited about the giveaway box. Again, if you wanna be a part of the giveaway whenever it happens, I don't know what's gonna happen. It's gonna be whenever this box is full. You need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. It's the only way you're gonna be able to win it. And then whatever I decide to do for like people to enter officially into it. But all right, so that is is all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure to click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and make sure you stick around because it's only the first day of box week, which means we're going on to day 2 tomorrow. And I'm so stinking excited to spend the week with you. I've missed you guys. I'm excited. I love you. All right, talk to you guys so stinking soon because, you know, tomorrow. All right, love you. Bye, guys.